Are you looking for inexpensive books then? Bookspace is all you need. A platform that operates with cost and time-effective methods to deliver books at your doorstep. It has a novel pool where you can get a novel for just 500 rupees. However, these books are slightly used. Finding a specific course book can cause a fatigue, or let's say it's not available near you. You can leave all the hectic honors by availing our facility of a special order. Trees can save a life. Therefore, we have come up with low-cost recycled spiral journals that are eye-catching, and making sure that the paper is of the highest quality. New journals with custom designs are also available. A part of our revenues will be used in setting up libraries in the underprivileged schools. Let's promote literacy together.
So order now from www.bookspace.com, delivering literacy from at your doorstep.